Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We're so glad you're here. If you enjoy relaxing, beginner-friendly painting tutorials, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a creative friend who might enjoy painting along with you. Today, we're creating a minimalist abstract painting using just a few calming colors and simple shapes. It's the perfect way to slow down, loosen up, and enjoy the process of painting without pressure. You'll find the full list of materials linked in the description below, so feel free to pause and gather your supplies when you're ready. Let's begin by squeezing a bit of sky blue paint directly onto your canvas. Using a wet flat brush, gently spread it across the surface. Let the paint move with ease, and if it starts to feel dry, just dip your brush in water to help it glide. Next, take a clean flat brush and soften any streaks, blending the paint into a smooth, peaceful background. Once your background is dry, pick up a small flat brush and load it with ultramarine blue. In the top left corner, paint a soft curved shape, something like a half ring. Take your time adjusting the curve until it feels just right. Clean your brush, then dip into some burnt sienna. Now, on the top right corner, paint another soft ring shape. Let this one be a little bigger or smaller to add visual interest. Variety makes these abstract compositions really shine. Let's add another shape, this time using phthalo blue. Paint a simple curved or half-circle form in a new area of the canvas. Keep your shapes loose and intuitive. There's no need to overthink. Enjoy the rhythm of painting at your own pace. Now it's time to bring in a bright, cheerful pop of color. Load a round brush with yellow paint and create a small circle that overlaps the blue ring just a bit. This subtle overlap adds movement and depth to your piece. Using the same brush, paint a yellow ring in the lower right corner. It doesn't need to be perfect, just expressive and balanced. Take your time adjusting the curve until it feels just right. Let each layer dry a little before you move on to the next, and enjoy the rhythm of painting at your own pace. Pick up some cobalt blue and paint a half-filled circle along the lower middle section, slightly to the left. Let the paint settle into the space naturally. Take your time adjusting the curve until it feels just right. And now, let's add a simple organic element. With black paint, use your round brush to create a gentle stem reaching upward. Along the stem, paint several leaves, each with its own unique shape and size. That subtle imperfection helps them feel more alive. This kind of calm, expressive painting is the heart of what we teach in our Paint Your Own Happiness course. It's all about learning to paint while also using creativity as a way to de-stress, reflect, and connect with yourself through art. Remember, If a shape isn't quite right, just let it dry and paint over it later. Acrylics are wonderfully forgiving, and for the cleanest edges, a soft round brush works beautifully with circular shapes. Thanks so much for painting with us today. If you enjoyed this relaxing abstract painting, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little creative joy. You can explore both our free and premium acrylic painting courses anytime at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy painting.